Okay, I am just finishing up, just dressing around the edges of all the accessory pieces that I have already cut out. This is a design team project for Happiness in Crafting, G. Kerr. The kit that I am using is the Shabby Shades of Purple, and this is an episode series for beginners. And when I say beginners, people that are just starting out. You can also, if you already know how to do this, you can come craft along with us. We are making one of these little, this ties closed as, it's like a little journal portfolio. It has a little pocket here. Here's the journal, and this just ties closed with the ribbon. A little pocket here, a couple little tags here, and then it just ties back closed, and this just slips down into there. So if you want to go and grab your kit over at Happiness in Crafting on Etsy, and come along and join us. Messed up, but that's okay. Still cute. This is a vintage style little folio, and it's great for keeping in your purse, your wallet, your backpack, your car, whatever, in a drawer to keep handy wherever you need to keep it. For jotting things down and that kind of stuff. School, college bills, you know, whatever it is, appointments, whatever, grocery list, whatever you need to keep track of, kids, things that they have going on, you know, busy moms. We all are constantly looking for things to jot things down on. Yes, we have our little cell phones that we can write things down in and keep track of now, but it's also good to keep a paper copy, because as we all know, the cell phones die sometimes, or we lose them, and then guess what? We have no idea what we have going on in our life at that point. So it's good to keep a paper copy. This is the Dusty Concord, like Dusty Concord grapes, Distress Oxide, Tim Holtz. I picked this up, I believe, at Hobby Lobby. It was either Hobby Lobby or Michael's, one or the other, just for this project. If you do not have any of this, you can use eyeshadow. If you have eyeshadow, works just as fine. This is a little makeup remover, you know, dauber thing, picked up at Dollar Tree. You can go to Michael's or Dollar Tree and spend a lot of money on the little daubers like you see people using, or you can just simply get a pack of these, which is what I do, and they work pretty good. They work just as good, and you get several in a pack for $1. So this is the last piece. My granddaughter Monique is crafting along with us. She's making her first one, but she is at work today, and I am bored, so I'm just going to finish up doing this. I have not made any videos in a while. I've been taking care of my husband, helping some family out with their kids, and just doing a lot of different things that have been taking up a lot of my time, mostly taking care of my husband and worrying about him. So that's where my life has been. So I've got all of this done. I'm going to close this and put this aside. And let's see. I've got my papers. Now the next thing I'm going to do, let me just show you all of these pieces right quick. You get 2 of these, and you can actually print out several of these and make a flower with several of these going around, and then maybe put one of the little hearts in the middle of it. I've done that before in a journal. That is fun to do, or you can use them as like belly bands. Fold this in half. Use them like a belly band on a page. You can put them on there, and then you have like a little, let's get one of these tags here, a little tuck spot that just kind of sticks down inside of there like that. You can use them this way as a tuck spot as well. They make nice little tuck spots this way. Put it here and here, then you have a tuck spot like that. You can use them on the edge of a page. You can fold them and use them as well, like tabs on the edge of a page. There's so much you can do with these. You get 2 of those. You get these little note cards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. You get 3 hearts. 1, 2, 3 hearts. 2 of these type of belly bands. Now you can use this as a belly band on a page going this way, or this way. You can cut it and have a belly band going, let's see, going this way, or you can fold them kind of like ruffling them. For the edge of a page, like that, on the edge of a page, just kind of like a little ruffle. You can do it that way. You can do it at the top. You can do it catty corner and stick something down in there. Just kind of ruffle it like that. So you get 2 of those. You get two large tags. You get 2 3-inch tags. Okay, the larger tags are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 inches. And then you get 2 of these 3.5-inch tags. And you get 1, 2, 3, just a 3.25. Let's see how many of those you get. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then you get these little tabs. You get 4 of these little tabs that you can use on the edge of a page or at the top as a, let's see, let me show you here, as a tuck spot to tuck something up under like that. Or you can go on this side to tuck something like that. Or you can line several up. 1, 2, let's see, That one kind of goes different direction. That one goes in a different direction. This one you can fold them into little mini envelopes. That can fold down by just simply folding them. We'll make a little envelope out of that one. So you have the tabs. You can put one that way and one this way if you want, and use them as a tuck spot. And then, let's see, you have another one going this way. I mean, you can do them however you want. You can put 3 on a page. You can put 1 on a page, just however many you want to put. So you get 3 of those. I thought there was one more of those, but oh, there it is. I made an envelope out of it. So you get all of those, and then you get 1. These are the journal cards, or you can make little mini journals out of them. How cute would that be as a mini journal? How adorable. That is just adorable. I love that. Or a journal card. All of these are just so, so pretty. You can make tags out of these, extra tags. Oh, that's pretty. I think we will make a mini journal out of this one. And we'll add some papers inside of there. Oops, sorry about that. Another journal card, and that would also make a pretty mini journal. And these are great to give as gifts to friends, like you go to a party or a gathering, wedding favors, because he looks kind of like wedding gowns. These are so pretty, just to, just as little gifts to give to students, or just as, add the papers in there, and it's just a little memoir. I mean, we're all starting school, the cute little teacher gifts, and things like that. That's adorable. We'll keep that one as a journal card. Let's see, here's another one. How pretty. I think we'll keep that one as a journal card, and maybe that one as a journal card, and we'll have 2 little mini journals to go into our little folio. So you get all of this in the kit. Shabby shades of purple. And I forget how many pieces total. Let's see, I have that written down. 33 embellishments you get. Plus you get these 9 pages. 9 journal pages that you can cut. You can use as journal pages. You can use as, they're pretty for decorating like a box or container or whatever. They're pretty to stick down inside if you're in school and you have your little 3-ring binders. They're perfect to, the plastic, lift the plastic up, slide it down inside of there, decorate that up some. Just pretty to make a journal or a card for someone. Say someone's getting married, that makes a beautiful card for that. There's just so much that you can do. So there's a page. I've already shown you this page that we folded. Here's another page. Grand Hotel St. James. I think it says I'm not sure. I can't quite make it out. Something 5, a French word. I think it says 82. I'm not sure. Something postage, entrees, legumes. It's a menu. Desserts. It's a menu. And then you have this beautiful page. And you could even cut the butterflies out and use them. If you print out several copies, you can cut the butterflies out and use them. as embellishments. You can cut the flowers out and use them as embellishments. You can use the page as an embellishment, or a journal page, or even just as a folio like the one that we're making over here. Great for collaging. And here we have this beautiful page. You could actually cut this out and use it as a journal card. You could cut this out as a journal card. You could cut this out as a page corner, like a tuck spot. There's so much you can do with these. It has the index page. Just beautiful, beautiful as a journal page, or as a card, or a decorative container. Here is another one, same thing. You can do the same thing. You can even just cut the little ladies out. You know, you see the Tim Holtz figures. You can cut these out and use them as embellishments. There's so much you can do. Cut the flowers out as embellishments. Here's another one. Beautiful, beautiful lady that if you print out several copies, you can cut her out and use her. You've got music paper. You can cut the flowers out and use them, or you can use it as a journal page. You can make tags, do collaging, all kind of stuff like that. Here is another beautiful background page. Be beautiful in a container, or as a card. And then maybe cut the lady out and put her on there, or just add one of these on it, and a tuck spot. There's just so much you can do, you know, so much. You've got your hearts you can make tuck spots with. So much you can do with that. Same thing with this one. Same thing with this one. And then here is this one. And I want to show you this one can be used this way or this way. This way or this way. You can stamp something in here, a beautiful quote, or a picture, photo, or whatever you want to put inside of there. Maybe it's someone that's getting married. You can put their photo in there, and then on the back put their wedding date and such on there, and make a nice little card, or even just as a journal page in your journal. So there you have, it's 14 pages total, 9 journal pages, and 33 embellishments in this kit. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kit. So go over to Happiness in Crafting by G. Kerr. This is a design team project for her. I'm a little bit behind, but I think everybody understands why. I've been going through a lot, like I said. Happiness in Crafting by G. Kerr. And you can check her out on YouTube. You can check her out. She has her Etsy shop, and that is where you can get this kit, Shabby Shades of Purple. And come and join me as we craft together, beginning to end on this project. I will be posting this video as episode 1. Second video will be show us cutting it out and distressing, and so forth. And my granddaughter, like I said, my granddaughter Monique, who is 18, will be crafting along with us, doing her project as well, when she is not working, to show you it's not hard to do. Anyone can do this. If you have not done paper crafting, you've been watching all the videos and you're just not sure if you can do it, come craft along with us, watch and see how she does. So this is what we will be doing. So thank you, God bless, and have a good day. Bye-bye.